Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports. First, connect your Wii console to your television using the included AV cables. Next, insert the Wii Sports game disc into the console's disc slot. Then, power on your console and television. Finally, sync your Wii remote by pressing the small red button inside the battery compartment and the red sync button on the console. This ensures your remote is ready for action. Once your remote is synced, it is time to master the controls. Always hold the Wii remote firmly and attach the wrist strap for safety. This prevents accidental drops. Point the remote directly at your television screen to navigate through menus and select your desired options. The large A button on the front confirms your selections, while the B trigger button on the underside typically cancels or goes back. These are your fundamental interactions. Now let's play a game. From the main menu, select a sport like tennis to begin your first match. When playing, swing the Wii remote naturally, just as you would a real racket or club to hit the ball or perform an action. For example, in tennis, a quick forward swing hits the ball. Adjust your swing speed and angle to achieve different shot types, such as a powerful serve or a gentle slice. It is quite intuitive. To truly enhance your Wii Sports experience, practice regularly to improve your timing and precision across all 5 sports. You will notice significant improvement with consistent play. Experiment with different Mii characters to find your favorite player avatar, adding a personal touch to your games. Most importantly, invite friends and family to play together. Wii Sports is designed for competitive and cooperative fun, making it a fantastic social activity for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.